Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to the channel YouTube Ian Blue 78. Well, how are you today? Everybody there? I hope everybody are well there. Okay. In the beautiful morning, I have a planning to go to some tourism attractions in Bangkalan District. It takes about um, 15 or 20 minutes from central town in Bangkalan town by private vehicle. Well, I will go to a cave, but a cave is not natural cave, but it made by local people there. Actually, the cave is like mining. Check it out of my video until the video done. So while you are watching my video, don't forget to press like, share, and subscribe. And also don't forget, inside of that subscribe there is a bell. If you like, press it. Well, let's go. Don't take so long. Come on, let's go. Oh, okay, here we are. Now I am in Arosbaya Subs District. Like this one. What do you think? It's good? I think it's nice. Good for Instgramable, something like that. So local people say they name it this tourism object is Bukit Kapor Arosbaya, Kapor Hill, something like that. And after this, I will go to inside. This is still in outside. Like, see? Okay, let's going up. What inside? Oh. Check. It was mining here before, but just for information, the mining is still in progress, but only in outside, but inside no more, because it's getting hard already. Okay, look at that. So And just for your information, my friends, if you come to here, it take about 50 minutes with the private vehicle, and for the parking fee for motorbike is only 5,000. But if you bring a car, you have to pay for the parking fee is 20,000 rupiahs, and then after that you have to pay for to go to inside of the mining Bukit Kapor Arosbaya. Is very cheap, it's only 5,000. So if you bring a car, you have to pay about all of 20 for the parking area, no, for your car. And then for motorbike, 5,000 rupiahs. Just a moment, I have to, okay. And then to go to inside, we have to pay 5,000. Okay, let's check it out inside. Okay, now I'm inside already. So I just got informations from the keeper here. If you have like pre-wedding or photo shoot, you have to pay 35,000 each person. Quite expensive. Okay, let's take a walk. So just for information again, if you want to come to here from and later I will go there. I will go back. There is a cave there. If in the afternoon, the what do you call that? The sunshine will through the hole to the cave. I hope I can see the sunshine there. This is the entrance door going to the cave. See here. So, still have meaning here. Yeah? They made block stone like today. This one. It's blockstone. They made for houses. Still have a meaning inside. All right, let's go inside. Welcome to the cave. Okay, this is the cave. Here is the right time. If you come to here, it's about 10, 11 or 12, because what, there will be sunshine there. You can see that, yeah, you can see the sunshine there through to into the cave, so it will be beautiful. Well, this is all about my journey to Bukit Kapor, or in Arosbaya Subs District in Bangkalan District. Just for information, my friends, if you want to come to here, the parking fee is only 5,000 for motorbike, and for the car is 20,000. To enter to the cave, you have to pay 5,000 each person. 5,000 each person. So you can go around, you can take pictures, but if you have like pre-wedding, making movie, they told me that each person they have to pay 35,000 rupiah each person. If you make some pre-wedding and also making a movie in this area, you have to pay for 35,000 each person. Well, thank you very much for watching my channel YouTube Ian Blue 78. Don't forget, if you like and if you feel or if you think my channel is interactive, educative and also informative, please press like, share and subscribe too. And also don't forget, beside of the subscribe, there is a bell. Don't forget to press it too if you like. But I hope my video is make you happy, and for reference for your touring later on, if you have vacations to Madura Island, don't forget to come to this tourism attractive. It's really Instagramable. That's great. Well, thank you for watching my channel. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye. See you in the next video in channel YouTube Ian Blue 70.